So today I'm going to show you how to pay on Cash App. So we're going to be here on our app in real time on iOS. Keeping in mind Android might look a little different. So first and foremost, of course, we are going to be here on the main screen of our page. You can see on the bottom left hand side how much money we actually have in our account. And if this doesn't have any money, you'll see a little bank account on here. And if you click, there's a section to add money if you'd like, which you can go ahead and do. Now we're going to go back here to our main page. You do need at least $1 to be able to send money. You can actually see that by tapping on pay. It'll tell you at least $1. So we're going to do $5 here for our example today. And what we're going to want to do is then tap over here on pay. Now from here, you get jumped over to the contacts page, which you can go ahead and plug in the person's name, their cash tag if you know it, phone number, and or email. So any of these will bring it up, or you can see in your suggested and or scrolling down to be able to see the contacts that you already have connected with from Cash App. So I went ahead and added the person right over here on our account. It highlights their name into green, and then we have a notes section that we get to put in a note. We actually do have to fill this out so we can go to the next page. And you can have this for any reason, or you can actually even go ahead and plug in an emoji if you wanted to as well. And then down here, you can actually see you can send this as cash, a gift card, some stocks, or Bitcoin, but I definitely encourage to send it however that person requested. And if you toggle onto this little section right over here, this actually just gives you a couple different backgrounds to send. It's a little bit extra, but nothing that is required. Now, one other thing to note when it comes to sending money to friends and family members, it actually doesn't cost you anything to send it, and it costs them nothing to receive it. The only time there might be a fee is if you are sending to a business. The business itself might actually incur a fee. So when it comes to sending money to friends and family members, there is going to be no cost on your end. Now, once all this information is filled out, we can go to the top right-hand side where you see the word pay. Tap over here. It will do a Face ID for you, so that is going to be required. And you can see right over here that $5 has now been sent over to the other person. It usually just takes a couple of minutes. If it's a larger dollar amount, it might take a little bit more time, and that money will be pulled from your account and sent directly over to them. Now, I got more to teach you when it comes to utilizing Cash App, so check out our next video right over here on screen to keep learning.